Hey everyone, so in this video I'm just playing with Arc browser. So I just installed it on the Mac, like as a Mac app, and you just need to create your account, and then you can just import your bookmarks from Chrome or Safari, and you can import also some settings from iCloud. This is how it looks like. It has this nice funky design. It's nice to play with it. You have some nice like tutorials here where you can just find some features like focus mode, split view, some previews. I'm like complete beginner with it. I'm just showing you how it looks like. What I can get is like, this browser can increase your productivity if you learn a lot of these shortcuts commands. And it has nice little design tweaks. Also, it has this boost mode where you can basically repaint the websites if you wanna. So anyhow, so for example, on the left you have this sidebar. Here you have your top websites visited. For example, it's just imports from your Chrome history, and this space is just it's called like that. It's space. You can create a new space in top in bottom right, and then you can just create it. You can edit it. You can rename it or change icon. There are a lot of shortcuts here. And then basically here then you can just go to some websites and they will be stored here. Then you have, for example, extensions. You can manage your extensions here like that. They're automatically imported from your Google profile, and as you can see, this Google page looks a bit different. So what did I do? I just use something like boost, and then you, for example, you can just change the look of Google, and then you can enable light and dark mode depending on what you did. There are different contrasts. So yeah, it's pretty. This feature I like. You can really play with it. You can change all the fonts, and you can always go back to the standard. This is called boosts. Then what they have also is like called easels. Easel is like a drawing board, kind of like a mirror. I don't know, like kind of just a drawing board where you can go to like websites and then just take screenshots, and then they will be here in the, like for example, I did a screenshot of Google, and then it's linkable. You can go to it, then you can just paint over it. You can open it up, you can drag it around, and then you can also replace the screenshot with a live website. You can just drag it around. You can also invite other people here to, anyone can edit, share the link. It's basically like a scrapbook for the web. You can create with text drawings, share with Easel, with other Arc user, just collaborate with it. And add some text. So this is kind of similar to like, Figma or Miro board, where you can just collaborate in it with your, colleagues. Then they have notes, similar as you have notes on Mac. That's what you can have here. So that's another feature which you can try out. So that's what you can do here. So these are like the features to the spaces, and you can also use boost, as I showed, like to the websites. Then you can also just clear it out. You can also set it up as default browser. You will be prompted a lot of times to do that. Then you just have your menu here. You have settings. Settings, again, you can just make default browser. Your email, your sync, general, a bunch of settings, shortcuts, all the shortcuts. I guess if you learn them, you'll be much faster with this app. You can also see some links, shortcuts kind of, and then advanced settings. So yeah, seems not that complicated. Screenshot, you can just do a screenshot here and just add it to the Easel, then you can just have developer resources here, spaces, new space, tabs, archive, extensions, window. So yeah, this is the browser. It looks quite, funky. So I would maybe, I don't know if like you can try it out as a default browser for like few days or few weeks and see how it works out. There is also like a iOS Arc app. You can just log in with your account and use like an Arc app on iOS. So yeah, that's basically the idea. I don't know if it's available on Android yet, but that's the app. There is a lot of hype around it these days, so I was just figuring out. I'll just visit it and see it, how it looks like. I'm not, of course, like advanced user of it. Probably there are so many features like more advanced people like it for. I heard some good reviews, but give it a try.